Hello, beautiful soul. You found your way here, and you have a little bit of time to just sink into serenity, to know that this time is precious and sacred and all yours. Just take a long, slow, deep breath in and an exhale out, allowing the out breath to just be a little longer than the in breath, so that your nervous system comes into a place of feeling soothed. At last, feeling relaxed. And there's no effort, there's no rush, there is just this ever unfolding moment of now. And you showed up for yourself. And deep within you, you feel a wonderful sense of gratitude, for you matter. You are a beautiful soul who deserves this time to feel calm and feel peaceful. Letting the hustle and bustle of life gently drift away, and you sink into a warm bath of calm. Letting this soothed feeling wash through you and over you, allowing any thoughts to just drift by, like sitting in a beautiful cafe, peacefully alone. Maybe just gently overhearing conversations, but knowing that you don't have to engage with them. You can always come back to you. This sense of wholeness and connection with self, to connect with others, to connect with the earth, to connect with the universe, to connect with all living things, to connect with the ground below you and the shivering trees, and you feel whole. And you feel home, and you know deep within yourself there are no worries. There is just a sense of calm, a sense of wholeness, a sense of warmth. You are healing as this loving energy flows out of you. You're at one with the breeze, and breathe. And on that breath, you sink further and deeper into this space of rest. And let yourself linger here just for a few moments more. And if your life is calling, know that you'll re-enter it with this beautiful, calm feeling that is absolutely yours, and it's always within you, for you to sink back into whenever you need a moment of calm serenity. So gently, dear heart, bring your awareness back into your body, back into the world. You might wriggle your fingers or toes or blink your eyes. You might want to bring some gentle movement as you take one last calming breath in this space. And as you breathe out, let a sigh. And thank yourself for turning up. It only takes a few minutes to completely change your world. Please go with kindness. You're a treasured soul.